So today we're going to talk about numbers, los números. Really quickly, just to review, as we know, when we have numbers in the ones place, we just write the individual digit, like ocho or 10. We know when we have numbers in between 11 to 14 that they're isolated incidents. So we've got 11 hasta 14. And we also learned last time we learned numbers that numbers from 16 until 29 have kind of a very special structure. So for example, the number 22, which we had originally, would be 22. We've got this I that's connecting 20, which is 20, and dos, 2, 22. Now we're learning about numbers that are a little bit bigger. So for example, we have 30 is the unit, this is our tens place, and then we're going to use the and, E, and then we put uno. Notice that I have 3 separate words. I have 3 separate words going on. All right, so now let's go ahead and try 99. 99 is going to be the exact same way we do 31. So anything from 31 to 99 is connected, the tens place and the ones place is connected by E. So for this case, 99 would be 90 space E space 9. That is the only time I'm going to have an and, right? And that's going to connect the tens and ones place. Now we're moving on to hundreds, thousands, millions, and we have to be very careful about how we do those. So let's go ahead and look over here. We've got the number 100. So 100 I'm going to write as 100 because it has no other digits in it. However, as soon as I get above 100, I change that to ciento. And because I don't have anything in between the tens and the ones place, I don't need the E, so I have 101. All right? These two digits are not in between 31 and 99, therefore I do not need E. All right? Let's go ahead and look at this one, 122. Same thing, it's above 100, so I have ciento. And then now I'm going to write the number 22. 22. All right, notice no E. Now I'm going to look at this number. It's a little difficult to see. Here we go. We've got 131. Oh, what do I have here? 31. So again, start with ciento, 30 y uno. Notice that here I have 4 separate words as opposed to 2 separate words for these numbers. All right, now we're going to look at this number, 1,216. You're going to notice that in Spanish, the decimal points and commas change. So decimal point in numbers means the thousands place, and a comma in numbers, so if I have a number like this, that's actually 5.7 in Spanish. I know, it's a little weird. So the commas and the decimal points switch and swap places only in numbers. In writing, they function the same way. All right? So first I'm going to go with, how do I say 1,000? We learned it's mil. Next I'm going to go to my hundreds place. I have 200, so 200. And finally I'm going to analyze between my tens and ones place. Do I have to use E? Nope, it's not between 31 and it's not between 99. Or between that range, we're going to put 16. It's got an accent on it. Don't forget about those accents. All right, so far so good. Just to review, most numbers do not require to be separate words until I get to the range of 31 through 99. That's when I use E. As we get higher in number, nothing changes. It's still going to be, each place has a certain word that we associate with it. So let's go ahead and try some more advanced numbers. Let's go with 30,478. All right, easy peasy, right? So let's first start with what we have. Right here we have 30. So how do we say 30 in Spanish? 30. And now that I have this decimal point, that decimal point is going to represent what place? It's thousands, that's right, so I'm going to put mil. All right, that's all I'm doing so far, that decimal place. Now I'm going to move on to our hundreds place. How do we say 400? 400. Now I'm going to move here. Is this between 31 and 99? You betcha, so I'm going to use E. So I got 70, 70, y 8. So my number is 30,478. Not too bad, right? All right, let's try some other more advanced numbers. Let's throw in some millions in there, shall we? 1,562,018. All right, same deal. We're going to go to our decimal point. What place is this? Okay, we've got the million. So how do we say million in Spanish? Oh, that's right. We have millón. Another word with an accent, right? Now let's go ahead and look at what we got going on here. This is 500, yes? So we got 500. Now I'm going to address my tens and ones place, right? Do I have a number between 31 and 99? You betcha. So there's got to be an E. So 60, 60, y dos. Looking at my decimal point, what place is that? Are we in the thousands? The hundreds? Where are we at? You're right, we're in the thousands. So 1,562,000. Mil, and then finally I go here. Do I need an E? No, because my tens and ones place are not between 31 and 99, so I'm just going to put 18. So my number is 1,560,018. Whew. All right, moving forward. I have the number 123,456,789. This is going to be a big number, so we got to start poco a poco. So we know here that this has to be millones. And we know here that this has to be mil. So whatever we have in between are going to be where we use our numbers. So first we start with 123. We know that with 100 we use ciento. We know 23 is one number altogether because it's not in between 31 and 99. So 123 millones. All right? Going here, we know that we have 456, so I've got 400. 5 and 6 are in between 31 and 99, so I have 50 y 6 mil. And then finally, 789, I've got 700. 89 is between 31 and 50 or 99, so I have 80 y 9. So my final number is 123,456,789. So that is how we do numbers in Spanish. Again, the biggest takeaway is those tens and ones places are going to determine if we use the and. Use the decimal points to help you. So if it's a decimal point, it's 2 decimal points over, I'm going to say millones. If it's 1 decimal point over, it's mil. And if not, I'm not going to do anything to talk about my quantity. So hopefully that helps you with numbers. Buena suerte.